Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. And today I'm going to unbox 1x43 diecast scale model of Dodge Challenger concept by Maisto. The model is in purple color with some cool graphics and heavy metal body. The doors are not openable, but even then the model is nice as per price too. Its MRP is rupees 699. This model has been purchased from Flipkart before some months, but now it isn't available there too. As we know that new scale models are no longer available online, but Indian scale models made by Senti Toys are available. Subscribe to my channel for more videos. Soon I shall upload the videos of Indian scale models. So let's look at some cinematic shots of this model.